Hi lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. If today is your first time on this channel, my name's Joy and you are welcome. So today's video is going to be about showing you my lifestyle, how I lose weight having fun. And if you like to see how I will be doing this, because this is going to be a journey, I would like you to subscribe and turn on the bell so that you will not miss videos anytime I upload new videos, okay? So guys, if you're up to 39 years old, you don't have to joke with your health. And keeping fit is one of the ways you will look happier, healthier, and great. So guys, if you want to see how I am able to do this today, keep watching. I want to start this journey because I have been kind of trying to better my life myself for a few months now. I have been trying to build up my fitness a little bit. I have been trying to eat healthy recently and also want to have a space where I could talk about this, where I could tell you guys my progress along the way, still on this channel, Joy Maba TV. After having 4 kids, to tell you the truth, I am not so comfortable how my body looks, but the good news is that I can do something about it. My body just looks the way I don't like. So guys, feel free to join me on this journey to feel happier and healthier. Remember that this channel is about everything beautiful for women over 35, okay? So you cannot rule out fitness in your regimen, okay? So join me. Hey guys, I want to measure my hand. This is perfect. So this is my tummy. Sometimes you have fine clothes to wear, especially these fine gowns. You'll not be able to wear it because of big tummy. This is 41.5. This is the side. Hey! A belly that brings us 4 children. I was very thin before I got married. Very slim before I got married. Now, here I am. Big tummy. Look at it. Okay guys, so after putting on my body, this is what my stomach now look like. Imagine. So if you want to package, at least this has helped tighten it a bit, but I don't like this. It still looks like a pregnant woman. Okay. So this is what I do, guys, to keep fit and lose weight. Okay guys, so this video today is about fitness and weight loss. This is what I use. If you don't have any of this, okay, don't allow it to bother you. Just go ahead and do your exercise, or you can use wrapper or hair tie and tie on your stomach before exercising. And remember, please, before I wore this, I was wearing something inside before, okay? Don't allow this to touch your skin. I think it is healthier. Yes. Okay. So guys, as you can see, my stomach now looks flatter. But there's no way I can wear this inside while going out, okay? Because it's definitely going to show up. It's revealing, as you can see. But that one I wore inside, I can actually wear that outside. I usually wear that one outside, okay? Because it helps me package the stomach well, yeah. So guys, if you don't have these dumbbells, don't worry, okay? I'm going to show you an improvise that you can use instead of these dumbbells. The most important thing is consistency, okay? Yeah, so let me show you. You can actually use this bottle water, fill it and use it, okay, to exercise. Yeah, it doesn't matter. The most important thing is achieving your aim. The success is what that matters, okay? So it doesn't matter whether you use the dumbbells or something of such. Okay, and remember, you are inside your house, okay? So it doesn't really matter. Have fun, guys. Okay, so remember what I'm about to show you is how I lose weight while having fun. Yes, guys, enjoy.
Declaring the ways of the Lord. This I do, this of the Sabbath, your Moses, righteousness being restored. I said this I do, this of the prayers, and finding the darkness, as one we are the boys in the desert, you're crying, preparing the ways of the Lord. Take you, behold the righteousness being restored. This are the days of the trials, and falling in darkness, we are the voice in the desert, you're crying, preparing the ways of God.
lose weight while having fun.